This is case number 2025 CR 2606, the state of Ohio versus Shane Newman. Mr. Newman, you're appearing over the video link from the Stark County Jail. I know that I can see and hear you. Can you see and hear me? Yes. Attorney Graham is present in the courtroom on your behalf. At any time you wish to speak privately with him, please let me know and I can make that available to you. The purpose of our hearing today, sir, is that there has been a request to determine your competency to stand trial in this matter. Based upon that request, the court issued an order to the psychodiagnostic clinic to prepare a report with respect to your competency. The court is in receipt of a report from the psychodiagnostic clinic dated June 3rd, 2026, wherein Dr. Wood opines that with a reasonable degree of psychological certainty that you are capable of understanding the nature and objective of the proceedings against you, and that you are capable of assisting in your own defense, and therefore competent to stand trial. State of Ohio, have you had the opportunity to review the report?
Yes, Your Honor.
And at this time, do you stipulate to the findings and admissibility?
Yes, Your Honor.
Attorney Graham, on behalf of Mr. Newman.
Your Honor, we've likewise had the opportunity to see the report, review it, and we would also stipulate to the report and the finding.
All right. Mr. Newman, have you had the opportunity to review the report and its findings with Mr. Graham?
Yes, Your Honor.
And at this time, do you stipulate or agree to those findings? Anybody promise you anything or threaten you with anything to get you to do that? At this time, the court finds the defendant has knowingly, voluntarily, and intelligently stipulated to the findings set forth in the report from Psychodiagnostic Clinic dated June 3rd, 2026. Based upon the stipulation by the state of Ohio and the defendant, the court finds that at this time, Mr. Newman is capable of understanding the nature and objective of the proceedings against him, and that he is capable of assisting in his own defense. Therefore, the court finds the defendant competent to stand trial in this matter. Court will mark copy of the competency evaluation as Court's Exhibit A for the purposes of today's hearing. It is my understanding, Attorney Graham, that at this time you have also filed a plea of not guilty by reason of insanity. Is that correct?
That is correct.
All right. And when Psychodiagnostic Clinic went to assess Mr. Newman with respect to the evaluation regarding his mental condition at the time of the offense charged, it indicates that he did not want to speak to them until he had spoken to you. At this time, would you like to address that?
Your Honor, during that evaluation, I know that Shane did have some questions that he wanted to discuss with me before proceeding with the evaluation. We have since had a couple of opportunities to talk about it, and we would ask at this point in time that the court reorder the not guilty by reason of insanity evaluation and allow Dr. Wood to go out and interview Shane to ultimately produce a finding and report.
And Mr. Newman, is that what you want to do?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you will cooperate with the evaluation? All right. At this time, the court will order that the Psychodiagnostic Clinic complete an evaluation regarding your mental condition at the time of the offenses charged in this case. Court will issue a judgment entry in that regard, and once the court has been provided with the report, we'll schedule a further hearing. Is there anything further from the state of Ohio?
No, Your Honor.
Attorney Graham.
No, thank you.
All right. The next hearing in the state will be scheduled upon receipt of Psychodiagnostic Clinic's report. Thank you.
Thank you.